Okay, so I'm very rigged because everybody tried me, even though I could literally just withdraw everything they place. And Unch just got a dark magic. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna wait for 200. Huh? Okay. A loser's grip. I'm here with my friends. Yeah, Maxwell's totally not one of them. So what we're gonna do, right? Real quick, I'm just gonna get some money, okay? I'm gonna quickly get some money just so I can do something. Hurrah. Okay. Machines. What am I saying? Set furnace. Yay, it's morning! Unch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3. Anj, why did you place those? No, we're not supposed to do that. We're supposed to make it even. Anj, I'm trying to do something, please. Okay, run by. Just wait. What if it was called Flaming Gold Digger? It's better than the rainbow one. That's all you have, okay? And then we're gonna put coal mines. We just smacked their desk. Okay, I'm just very. Maxwell just got an ore quaster. Screw Maxwell. Nobody cares about him. That's probably the worst vintage you could get. It's probably the most useless one ever. As you see, Maxwell just got an ore quaster, which is probably the useless one of the most useless vintages. Hey, giant rocks! Ding, 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 ding. We're gonna pause the video again and wait for us to get a billion quadrillion. Okay, so I'm back in my basement and Andrew is complaining about his rebirth. So let's just rebirth. And of course I get a morning star. I already have the neutron star. I don't need one. I already have the neutron star. I don't need it. I wish I could give reborns to people. I wish I could give onto my dreamer's anguish and then make him give it back to me. But I'd make you give it back. Because I'm gonna try this setup. I don't. I don't know if it's quicker. What I'm doing. Why? Yeah, so close. Yeah, like that'll happen. So close. Oh. Yeah, that's actually pretty close. Yeah. Just, well, trying. Okay. Oh, great, it's nighttime. No. Where is it? Because I haven't even placed a mine yet. Take it easy. Ah, I fell down. How did I just randomly get quadrillion? Actually, I think one of your ores fell in my setup. Your ore fell in my setup and then it landed out. Oh crap. Supposed to be like that. I don't know. Oh, the setup's actually pretty good. This setup's OP! I just got octillions. Alright guys, if you don't have these, then you screw. This setup can give you octillions. So you put the 2 Ds, Eniamides, and Big Bertha, the quantum ore refiner, which you get by placing 15 quantum ore cleaners with no items on your base and then reborning. You get this, the Saturday catalyst, by placing 12 catalysts on your base without any items on your base other than 12 catalysts and reborning. This, the same thing, but with I think a few Gate of Eclipse, you can switch it up. The Clockwork, Wild Spore, Azure Refiner, Lightning Bolts, Scorching Heat, 3 Professionals, 1 Santa Slay, True Overlord Device, a Pestle Resetter, Quantum Ore Cleaner, Catalyst, 2 Dragon Blasters, you can use more if you want, Big Bad Blasters, Wild Spore, Azure Refiner, 2 Flame things, a Wild Spore, Azure Refiner, an Excellent Upgrader, Overlord Device, and then Aether Refiner. No, let's just reborn. Oh. I gotta go in prison. Yay! I'm trying to do something. I'm trying something. What was after the catalyst? Alright, everybody, I am going to leave now, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!